Hey, this is Mark again for Foxwell. Today we're going to unbox a new 2020 lineup of the NT530 multi-system scan tool. The first time I purchased one, I bought the NT510 to fix a car I owned, and it saved me $1,000 right out of the box. After the dealership told me I needed a new SEL module in the car, when really it was just my own fault, because when I reconnected the steering linkage to the steering rack, I didn't zero those two out at 0 degrees. So all I had to do was the scanner, plug it in, find out where my steering angle was, disconnect the pinch bolt, reconnect them, set them both at 0, reconnect it, clear the codes, car was fine. Didn't have to spend $1,000 for a module I didn't need. With the 530 is the updated version of that scanner. So it's good, has a better processor, a little bit faster speed. If you pull it out of the box, you've got a scanner, a cable to connect it to the car, and then you have a bag inside this pocket with a USB Type A cable, and a very unique looking, I've never seen one like this, but this is the latest card reader for updating your software or adding additional vehicles to the scanner. Surprisingly powerful, this little scanner, because not only can you scan the codes in the powertrain control module and the transmission control module if those are separate modules in your car, or even if they're together, but you can also look at live data and see what different parameters are, what's going on with your coolant temperature, what's going on with the oil pressure, what's my fuel rail pressure supposed to be. If you're troubleshooting the car and it won't start, hey, let's connect the scanner, see what my fuel rail pressure is, if your car supports that type of data. Some cars don't. But it's a great little scanner. It comes, when you order it, it may come, if you have a BMW, it may come with BMW software. If you have an Audi, it may come with Audi software. If you have a Ford, it may come with Ford software. You can order it from Foxwell directly with the type of software that you want on the vehicle. If you have more than one type or one manufacturer car in your garage at home, you can actually order additional makes and models for your car from Foxwell. They'll update your scanner, and once you've registered it, they'll update it. You simply put this card in the correct way into the card reader slot, stick this in your USB port on the computer, and update the software on the card. Put it back in the scanner, and then start your diagnostic work. So it's a very powerful tool. Again, you can read your codes in the car computer, the transmission control module. You can look at live data, and you can actually, with this one, you can actually perform tests. So I had another vehicle in the shop where I had a problem with the air conditioning, and I could actually pull up and activate the blend air door in the air conditioning system. I can actually move that servo motor with the scanner. So a lot of neat features with this scanner. And again, if you have any questions, go to foxwelltech.com or support@foxwelltech.com, and you can download, just check it out on the internet, download or look for, do a search for an NT530, find out what features the scanner has and if it will work with your car. More than likely, you're gonna like it. Again, have any questions, go to support@foxwelltech.com.